And as COVID-19 vaccinations continue, so do frustrations with the process. KPVI News That Works For You journalist Kate Garner breaks down the supply chain, distribution, and even vaccine waste here in southeastern Idaho.
That's still not going to be sufficient to meet the demand.
The demand for the COVID-19 vaccine is growing across the state faster than it can be met. And it's the same for the 8-county region that makes up the southeastern Idaho Public Health District. The state has a new online tool that helps track vaccine administration in each district. By the end of last week, southeastern Idaho had received more than 25,000 doses of the vaccine and administered, in the form of a shot, more than 19,000 doses.
We're hoping as additional vaccines receive FDA approval that's going to help increase the supply as well.
The state tells MAN the district's weekly supply should be going up, anywhere from 15 to 20%. But that still won't be enough to meet up with the demand in the area. Each week when the health district gets its allotted amount of vaccine, it then distributes them to 29 different providers across its 8 counties. One of those providers is Portneuf Medical Center, which held its first vaccine clinic back in December.
This just leaps us forward to getting back to some semblance of what we were prior to COVID.
The providers across the district have administered 75% of the doses so far, which is better than the state's average of 69%. But this number may not be totally accurate, as providers have 72 hours to report back to the state once a dose has been given out. The current Moderna and Pfizer vaccines also require 2 doses.
The nice thing is we've been assured by both makers that you get enough vaccine for your first dose, you'll have basically a guarantee for your second dose as well.
In some instances, a provider may get a second round of doses a few days before patients are scheduled to return, and this can account for some of the unused vaccines. But it's important to note, unused does not mean wasted. At the beginning of the month, less than 30 doses across the state had gone to waste.
That's really pretty remarkable given all of the logistics of storing and transporting and administering this vaccine. That's probably the best that we could hope for.
In Pocatello, Kate Garner, KPVI, News That Works For You.
For more information on the vaccine and appointments, you can go to our website, kpvi.com.